Well, hi there, welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. Was watching TV with my wife the other night, and a commercial came on with a man and a woman. They look like models, supermodels. They look like models. They were happy and just great, and they were standing on their paddle boards, and there was a little boy in front, sitting on the paddle board with the lady, and there was a little girl sitting in front of the man who was on the other paddleboard, and they just looked like the most ideal family in the most ideal, beautiful vacation spot. It just was amazing. The blue sky, the water, Caribbean. I don't know where they were. It was incredible. It looked like paradise, and I had to laugh. With the kids, we've gone on some vacations here and there a little bit, but honestly, it's a lot of work and struggle and getting ready and arguments, and there's a lot of that. And then there's a few times where this miraculous paddleboard moment might happen for a little short time. That's a lot like a cleaning business, right? So there's nothing wrong with that. It reminds me of the Navy SEAL, wasn't it, who wrote the book Embrace the Suck? And what is this suck? Well, it's the hard part of Navy SEAL training. And his point was not to fight it, that's an important, necessary part of it. And if you learn to just accept that and then learn it along the way, you're better off than resisting it. So I'm just something to think about in any business, cleaning business the same way, that it isn't all paddleboard moments. I certainly hope that you have some of those too along the way, but maybe not to be so upset about the other part of it along the way. Until next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.